Hey guys, welcome to today's first quick tip video. And this video is going to show you guys how to get a smoky eye very easily. I'm only using 2 products and I'm only using 2 brushes. This is a way for you to get a daytime smoky eye and you can turn it into a nighttime smoky eye. So right now I'm priming her eyelids, and I'm priming them because her eyelids are very oily and it's just something I prefer to do on myself and my clients. And next, you will see me go in with a powder that is the same shade that is her skin complexion. And I really like doing this because if you are getting ready to go to work, this can be a look that once you add your eyeliner or mascara, you don't even have to add liner. You'll be ready to go out the door, even if you're in a rush. So it'll give you a really nice, clean look on your eyes. And just add some mascara to amp it up and you're really good to go. But that's not really what this is about. You can add a crease color if you wanted to, just to give it some depth, but like I said, you really don't have to. So right now I am going in with this e.l.f. jumbo pencil. It's a green khaki color, and I'm just applying that all over her eyes, and I'm just going to blend it all over, and then I am going to buff it out. This is a look that I feel like this is a very nice color that you can wear to work. It's not overwhelming, it's not too loud, and this is a form of a smoky eye. So now I'm just buffing it out. If you're more comfortable, depending on your work settings, you can add black to the edges, but I'm not going to use any black in this look at all. I'm just going to show you how you can transition this daytime smoky eye to a nighttime. So I'm using this green from Kiko Milano, and I really love that. That's one of those eyeshadows where it's really good on its own, and when you wet it, it's intense, but I did not wet it for this look. I'm adding this along the edges of her outer V and at the bottom close to her lash line. And I'm just honestly gonna smoke it out. And I know when we say smoky eyes, people, like I said, people always assume you need something really dark. You don't. This is just a way to amp it up. You can see the difference between the green we used earlier and this one. And I'm just gonna buff it out. I'm using a blending brush. I only use 2 brushes. I use a blending brush to buff out the edges, and I use a big eyeshadow brush to just apply all of that. So here you guys see me blending it out, and honestly, this is really all you need to create a smoky eye like this. You can use whatever color you please, but I just want to let you guys know you never need all these products to give you a smoky eye. It's super easy, especially something that's wearable for work and you're doing a day to night look. So I hope you guys really enjoy this. From now on, I'm going to be doing a quick tip Tuesday every Tuesday. And if you guys like something like this, please let me know. Leave your comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.